Hey, what is up all you do-it-yourselfers? My name's Dylan Taylor, this is Dylan's DIY Workshop, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made this box, this dresser box for my brother's bedroom, and it has a bench top on it, and it's got a little hinge. It's fairly simple, and the video's a video. Check it out, guys. I hope you enjoy some of this video. Does that piece need to be attached here, or can it just be
I don't know if it'll look good there. I like that open.
Okay.
Plus, now looking at this, I think it does need to be open stuff and see what it looks like in there.
Yeah. Alright, voiceover take one. Here we go. So basically my brother needed this box in his room that was going to be a dresser, and he wanted it to be split into thirds, or, well, 2/3 on one side and 1/3 on the other, with a divider in the middle so that he could have a dirty clothes hamper in the same area. So originally he wanted it to be across the room, but we discussed earlier, and you saw that it should go in the closet. He had already bought a cushion for it, and that's what he wanted to use as the top because he wanted it to be a bench. So what we did is we just measured out the closet and the cushion itself and came up with the size of about 33 inches wide and about 15 inches deep. And so we cut the 2x4 to 33 inches and the front piece to 33 inches as well. Just happened to be some scrap plywood that I believe was 18, maybe 24 inches wide. And that's just the height of the bench itself. Now here you see me countersinking some holes and then just attaching the side piece to the ends of the 2x4. It's not ideal to attach to end grain, but in this case it was going to hold just fine. 2 screws in each side, and then I used 90-degree brackets to hold the front to the sides. And I used 4 of them, 2 on each side, 1 at the top and 1 at the bottom. Now I didn't have screws short enough to not stick out the front of the plywood, so what ended up happening was there was a point from the screws sticking out the front and the sides. And later in the video you see me file those off. Here I'm cutting the lid, and I just measured out what the final box was. I don't remember the final measurements, but I'm making the lid to fit the box that I created, and there we go. The hinges I'm using are just butt hinges, and I'm using them kind of backwards. Actually, I'm using them completely backwards, and the reason for that is it just worked. I'm using 2 of them. I believe they're 2 or 2.5 inch butt hinges, and the pin is fixed, so they're just cheap little hinges, and they worked fine. The cushion fits on top, and it's done. Kinda. There I am filing, and it did take quite a while. The one thing that I've learned from this is to just use the right length screws. It's gonna save you a lot of time in the long run, for sure. Okay, so I'm going to take this moment in the video to thank all of my Patreon supporters. You guys are all absolutely amazing, and thank you for supporting me and allowing me to keep creating videos the way that I do, and just making all of this possible. So thank you to all of you. And a special thank you to Randy Robinbird and Mike Maxwell, the top level Patreon supporters. Thank you guys so much. Can you show us the functionality, please?
Whoosh!
No, do it properly.
Sorry. Whoa.
Come on.
Get rid of your cushion, okay?
Shit. Yeah, there you go. It's out of the way. Opens up. Clean clothes, dirty clothes, done. Now get in there. I bet you can fit. This is proof of concept. Get Ben hide bodies in his bedroom.
I wouldn't need this.
It's too narrow for
No.
Here, I'll get a picture. Thumbnail!
I could paint that.
Well, I'm just kidding. That's not the thumbnail. Thank you guys for watching this DIY video. Back to the studio, Dylan, that really shouldn't leave the studio. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I do encourage you to check out my Patreon page if that is something that you are into. If not, maybe just give the video a like. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new, please subscribe. If you already subscribed, please share this video with a friend. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big old thumbs up. See you guys all next time. Peace out.